But I want to talk about something real quick. I want to give a big shout out to my man Hervey. We do DJing, we got photo booths, you know what I'm saying? We do sound setups. Um, we get into horse rides. We do a variations of things. And just by doing business, I don't have time to like do this, answer phones, and go out and do the business. You know what I'm saying? So Hervey, a incredible thing he got going on with the AI. He helped me to kind of like streamline and get a flow, get stuff focused. You know what I'm saying? So that my business can run efficiently. Setting up an AI voice with using Go High Level. He did the AI, the automation, the setup. So now I got, saying, you call in, the lady talks. You feel me? It's AI. Hurry set that up. And hey, big shout out. You know what I'm saying? With my website, he helped with setting up the funnels, different forms and things, just so my business just can run more efficiently. You know what I'm saying? And it helps tremendous. One thing that I always felt was important is customer retention. And that just should be built in any business model. And so, and there again, with helping me set up Hervey AI, what can I say, man? Big shout out to you. You helped me set up my rewards program. Customers are liking it. I like it. It definitely helped build customer rapport, retention, relationship, and just goes on to help us show that I'm not in the business of just taking people money. With the help of AI and things that Hervey helped me set up, it helps us get to that goal much quicker. So yeah, hey man, keep on doing what you're doing, brother. This DJ
Shorty Rock.